It is once again time for the Law on You with the Aries Premier Attorneys. That's Ciarimboli and Brian Corcoran. And I think anybody can relate if they're a parent, a grandparent, an uncle, an aunt. They just want the best for the young kiddos in their life.
Yep. Yeah, this is a great question and one that around this time of year we do get a lot of calls about things of this nature. So let's get to it.
Yeah, Carl in Marion writes in, my son needs help at school and the school is refusing to give him any of that help. Is there anything that I can do?
There is. This is a long process though, and you really do need to advocate very strongly for your son or daughter if you think they have some type of either physical or learning disability that is preventing them from reaching their full potential. The school has an obligation to, you could put in place what's called an IEP, an individualized education plan. But there are a number of things and a number of people that are going to need to be involved in that process in order to help your son or daughter ultimately get that IEP put in place that's going to help them. I'll let Brian jump in and tell you some of the documentation that you would need in order to be able to be successful.
You're going to need his pediatric records. You're going to need his school transcript. If somebody who's having problems like this probably has taken tests in the past and not done too well on them, you're going to need those tests. So you have to document this so when you go before the school officials, you can have hard evidence that you're having real issues. And most of the schools, they should help you. It's your civil rights to have a good education.
Absolutely.
Yeah, let's hope for a better school year for him and everybody that may be watching. Remember, results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli. And if you wanted your question answered, just visit the website or give the hotline a call.